Hello everyone, welcome to Aeromechanology channel. Today's topic is primary control surfaces of an aircraft. The primary control surfaces of an aircraft are essential components that allow the pilot to control and maneuver the aircraft in flight. These surfaces directly affect the aircraft's movement along the three primary axes: roll, pitch, and yaw. The primary control surfaces are 1. Ailerons. Located on the outer trailing edges of each wing, ailerons control the roll of the aircraft around its longitudinal axis, which is the nose-to-tail axis. When one aileron moves up, the other moves down. The upward aileron reduces lift on that wing, causing it to drop, while the downward aileron increases lift on the opposite wing, causing it to rise. This causes the aircraft to bank or roll left or right, allowing turns. Elevators are located on the trailing edge of the horizontal stabilizer or tailplane at the rear of the aircraft. They control the pitch of the aircraft around its lateral axis, which runs from wingtip to wingtip. When the elevators move upward, the nose of the aircraft pitches up, causing the aircraft to rise. Conversely, when the elevators move downward, the nose pitches down, causing the aircraft to lower. This movement is crucial for controlling the aircraft's angle of climb or descent. The rudder is mounted on the trailing edge of the vertical stabilizer or fin at the rear of the aircraft. It controls the yaw of the aircraft around its vertical axis, which runs from top to bottom. When the rudder is deflected to the left, it causes the aircraft's nose to yaw to the left. Similarly, when deflected to the right, it causes the nose to yaw to the right. The rudder is essential for directional control, particularly in maintaining coordinated turns and correcting for adverse yaw. Let's summarize the control functions. Ailerons control roll, which is the left or right bank, rotating around the longitudinal axis. Elevators control pitch, moving the nose up or down, and rotate around the lateral axis. The rudder controls yaw, moving the nose left or right, and rotates around the vertical axis. These control surfaces allow the pilot to maintain stability and maneuver the aircraft through various flight phases, such as turning, climbing, descending, and stabilizing the direction. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Happy learning.